birth week! So if you don't know what a birth week is, A, you have no childhood and never watched Victorious. B, I will roll a clip here for the benefit of those of you who have not.
Because it's only 3 days until Trina's birth week.
Her birth week?
You mean her birthday?
Yeah, you don't know my sister. She thinks 1 day isn't enough celebration, so she calls it her birth week. And if I don't get her an amazing present, I'm gonna have to listen to her complain about it for the next 6 months.
Basically, your birth week is the week of your birthday, as Trina in the show put it. And I thought since, Singapore is still kind of in having like these COVID-19 measures, so we can't really like meet up and stuff. And every year I throw myself a party. I thought I'd put together a couple of self-care things that I'll do for myself for my birthday. So like a birthday party for one. Okay, so my stuff from SHEIN arrived yesterday. And obviously I've unboxed it already, but I thought I'd do one on camera. So this was like my first present that I ordered for myself, because I also kind of forget what I bought for myself. So this is a little SHEIN haul for you. So the first thing I got for myself was this top. Honestly, I added this in the last minute, but I really love it. Got this white skirt. I saw one on like Best Dress Ashley for like super long. I really wanted it. It's like just a white skirt with like a slit here. I really wanted this like halter eyelet kind of top thing from like, I saw a lot of people wearing the one from Pomelo, which was a bit X. Yeah, so I kind of found a dupe, but it doesn't have the same neckline I was looking for. So like I wanted like, the cross neckline thing, if it makes sense. Like that. But like, I don't know if I could still do it. But I thought it was still kind of cute, even though it's like that. It's just kind of like a kind of top, and then like, yeah, I don't know if I'll still buy the one from Pomelo though, because like it's kind of similar, but it's just the neckline. So I'm thinking whether I should return this, but I think it's kind of cute. And then I got myself this dress. I was eyeing this dress for very long, but honestly it didn't come as I expected. I wouldn't buy this if I saw it like outside, but when I tried it on, cue trying on footage, I think it looks okay. And like, okay, this is the picture I saw, okay, on SHEIN. And I think honestly it's kind of misleading because I thought it would look so cute, and I really thought of this dress for like what. Yeah, so I don't really know how I feel about this dress, and I don't know about return it or sell it or whatever, but okay, we'll see. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So also I got myself a few other pieces of knickknacks because I love to spoil myself because I have no friends. Okay, kidding, but so I got this other dress from Cotton On. I'm gonna wear this on like my actual birthday. I altered it already because like the sleeves are a bit long. But I'm in love with it. It's so nice. Ta-da! So this is the last clothes present to myself. I used corduroy shorts. I thrifted them. I don't know if you can really see the corduroy like material, but I just thought it was quite cute and I thrifted it, and yeah. So those are the clothes to myself. On to the next present I got for myself. Oh, yes! And I also got this necklace from SHEIN. I don't know if you can see it. I'll do like a close-up video thing here, but yeah, I bought this necklace from SHEIN as well because like, I am a cheapo and I only buy jewelry that will spoil really quickly, and it's very cheap, and because my skin isn't as sensitive, so yeah.
So my next gift to myself was this manicure. Oh, look at it, pretty. It's kind of just like a rose quartz with like some embellishments that I decided to add when I saw like the girl who was helping me do it have it, and it was like super pretty. I didn't like do my nails for like really long before this because like COVID and all, right? And like I just been dying to do my nails because like the stick-ons weren't doing it for me, and yeah, so I finally got it. I decided to like treat myself once a year to like a design gel one for my birthday. So this is the next gift to myself. Last year I did like a marble one. I'll put some pictures here. But yeah, so this year I've been wanting to do the rose quartz one. So I did it with the embellishments. I'll leave the link of her Instagram store behind, and you can quote me for 10%. She's really sweet, and like I would totally go back. It's very affordable. Her house is super convenient, and she's so nice and it's so pretty. I'm so happy with it. But yeah.
Long story short, the birthday cake that I wanted, okay, basically my favorite cake in the world is this Keith matcha raspberry mascarpone cake, but they don't sell it anymore. I used to eat it like every week because I would just be really stressed and crying, so I thought I'll make it for myself. So here's a video montage of that because I also had to make it in a very awkward open kitchen setting with like many people, so I couldn't really like talk you guys through it while I was doing it, but I had to like grab sneaky clips of the many components of what I was doing.
So upon examining the cake, I found that it has three main components: the matcha sponge, the raspberry curd, and the mascarpone cream, as well as like a walnut dried raspberry crumb thingy on top, as shown in this picture. So I decided to make the three components and just dry out some raspberries as well as some walnuts in the oven to make the crumb. This is supposed to be over heat with a double boiler thingy in case it didn't look obvious and it looks like I'm just stirring forever, but yeah, you're just supposed to keep stirring. Honestly, you should just follow the recipe I did in my previous video, linked below, because I kind of like screwed this up a bit, but just enjoy this aesthetic montage. In case it isn't obvious, I'm just folding the meringue into the mixture I have. In case it wasn't obvious, I was trying to do an aesthetic thing where this thing just like, drops into the bowl, but I kind of forgot the second part, so let's just pretend I did that. Here's my cake when it looked great before it just deflated into pieces. And because it was too awkward to frost the whole thing on camera, I just had to do it off camera, so it kind of looks like a mess because I was too eager to cut through it and not freeze it. But here's how it looks after I kind of like put it in the fridge for a while. It tastes super great, it tastes kind of like that one, and it just doesn't look great, but I assure you it tasted amazing. So my stuff from Shopee arrived! Okay, let's unbox it together. I really like unboxed the camera that like came a while ago. I didn't realize like this one actually had like twice the amount of film the other one had. So I was wondering why it was like $2 more expensive, but I guess it's more cost efficient to get this if you're not like dying to develop the film and see it very quickly. Okay, so that's the first present I got for myself. And then honestly I can't remember what I bought. I think I bought jewelry. Okay, let's see. This necklace. Okay, let me take it out and show you. I feel like I have so many earrings, but like I don't have enough like necklaces. They either all like spoil really fast, or like they're very hard to put on, or they're just like, I don't know, I lose them and stuff compared to like earrings. So I've been trying to buy myself more necklaces. So there's been this one that's been like trending. It's called like, I don't know, it's like a token looking one. Okay, this is the necklace I got. And then the next thing, I think these are my rings, or maybe I bought something else without knowing. Okay, let me open it and show you. I got this set of like 7 rings for like $1, I think. Okay, let me show you how they look like. So these are how the rings look like. So I bought this in a set for like $1. To be honest, they look a bit cheap, but like it doesn't really matter to me, so like that is fine. And yeah, that's what I got myself. I think I'm overall quite satisfied with it, especially I've been needing like a new camera in time for like going out with my friends and stuff like that, and I'm happy with the necklace. But I guess the rings, like, I'll see how it goes. I think they look fine, but maybe like from the side you can kind of see they look a bit like cheap, but like it's not like, it's pretty cute, I guess. I'm trying to get into like wearing different kinds of jewelry more. So I mean, for 7 for $1, I think it's pretty worth it lah. So yeah, I'm overall pretty satisfied. So those are the Shopee presents to myself. Hi everyone, I kind of forgot to film an outro, so this is my outro. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.